Welcome to Detroit City Limits, home of Train Room Gary. Milwaukee Road, EMD E7, 1945, 2,000 horsepower. Manufactured by General Motors, LaGrange, Illinois, February 45 to 1949. Total built, 428A units, 82B units. Only one E7 survives, Strasburg Railroad. Hey, welcome back to Train Room Gary. And today we're going to pull some stuff off the static display. This is a Wisconsin Central. We're not going to run this. But let's just slide down and take a look at this E7. This has been sitting up here for a little while, so every once in a while it's good to take the stuff down and take it for a ride. This is a Williams engine, and I bought this when Williams was still running the company. Now it's run by Bachman. Right, you can see now I took it down from the static display. We'll kind of slide over here, and I got the E7 hooked up to this Amtrak train. And we're going to do, this is kind of like a make-believe session here. This is the Pere Marquette Railroad Club, and they have leased some cars from Amtrak. Right, this is the front view of the E7 as it's getting ready to start up. Our kind of pretend session here is they've leased 8 cars from Amtrak, and the club was going to go on an outing through northern Michigan. Now this is, conventional power, so I got to use the throttles on the ZW to make this all work. Basically you got forward, neutral, and reverse just like any conventional train, but it's working because the TIU from Mike's Train House is all set for fixed power. And then I can just, dial down the ZW to 0, and then I got conventional operations. So let's kind of pan down and take a look at this train. It's kind of neat. It's a long engine. It's an E7. And these are the 8 passenger cars they have leased today from Amtrak to go on an excursion through northern Michigan with the Pere Marquette Railroad Club. Alright, let's take the old Williams E7 for a ride. Here's the E7 on a flyby. This is the Williams E7 Pere Marquette, Chesapeake and Ohio, and we've been pulling Amtrak cars today for the club's tour. We leased 8 Amtrak cars out for a tour. Let's test the True Blast horn. This is old technology, but it still sounds good. Oh, I forgot, we got, besides the horn, we got the bell too. So we got a bell and a horn. Let's hear that horn again. It's called a True Blast horn, old technology, and then the bell. Alright, hey, we're all done running the Pere Marquette, Chesapeake and Ohio. This was a railroad club that rented 8 cars in Amtrak. We're now going to put it back up on the static display, so I'll just kind of pick them both up, stick them up in here, and then fine tune the rails, and we'll have it just how we had before on static display. It's always important to take your stuff off static display and run it once in a while, you know, to keep all electronics working, keep the speakers soft, and that pretty well wraps up this show of Train Room Gary. I mean, this is a little loose here. Yeah, I think we got it pretty well how we want it on the display. And thanks again for watching Train Room Gary.